We are trying this trend, the Latina makeup. You're gonna spray. We're going in with that color and then a little bit darker concealer. Okay, so I'm gonna let my powder sit. Now I'm just okay, so now let's go in with our lips. And as always, never forget your moles. First, let's put mascara. This is like my least favorite part. This is the finished look. Let me